So this next chapter is a statistical table. How table, what should be the property of table? Table is a primarily classification of data. After classification of data, they are primarily arranged in the form of table. So what is table? So a statistical table, we use the table if we are using table for the use of the statistics, then it is called as a statistical table. So tabulation may be defined as systematic arrangement of data in column and rows. Columns and rows, अगर जो डाटा है कॉलम एंड रो के फॉर्म में, अगर कॉलम एंड रो की तरह अगर किसी डाटा को उसे अरेंज कर दें, मीन्स कॉलम एंड रो के फॉर्म में, तो देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज, सो इट इज सिस्टमैटिक. सो if data is arranged systematically in the form of rows and column, then it is called as a tabulation. So a statistical table is a logical listing of related quantitative data in vertical columns and horizontal rows of the numbers with sufficient explanatory qualifying words, phrases, a statement in form of titles, headings, notes to make clear full meaning of the data and their origin. So अब ये टेबल को डिफाइन किया गया है. इसमें कहा गया कि किसी भी क्वांटिटेटिव डाटा को आप सिंपली अरेंजिंग इनटू कॉलम एंड रोज इज नॉट सफिशिएंट. उस कॉलम एंड रोज का प्रॉपर हेडिंग होना चाहिए, इन केस ऑफ वर्ड, फ्रेजेस, स्टेटमेंट, एनीथिंग. उसके नंबर होने चाहिए, उसके वो क्या डाटा है उसके, दैट should convey clear message to the viewer. So these is that. Then footnote, वो footnote में क्या लिखा हुआ, क्या important चीज लिखा हुआ. So whatever the requirement is there, it should convey all the information. So tabulation, it is that table should have proper information of what you called heading, explanatory, any in case of words and phrases, anything. Tabulation is the final stage in collection and compilation of data and forms the gateway for further statistical analysis and interpretation. So it says that कि tabulation जो है last stage है collection and compilation of data का. Means it is the part of classification. So collection and compilation का फाइनल स्टेज है आफ्टर क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द डाटा टू फॉर्म इनटू द टेबल. एंड ये टेबल एसेंशियल है फर्दर, दैट इज अ गेटवे. गेटवे मींस रूट है, दैट इज द स्टेज. क्योंकि एवरी डाटा को टेबल के फॉर्म में आना होगा इन ऑर्डर टू गिव, in order to make it liable to be a statistical analysis or interpretation. So analysis or interpretation means प्रोसेस तक आने के लिए डाटा, जो रॉ डाटा है उसे कंपाइल, उसका क्लासिफिकेशन होगा, एंड क्लासिफिकेशन के बाद उसे कंपाइल इन फॉर्म ऑफ टेबल करते हैं, और उस टेबल को हम लोग फर्दर स्टैटिस्टिकल एनालिसिस एज पर आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव we decide, and after analysis we interpreted the data, what information I was wanting and what information the data has given, whether matching or not, and what we should do. Then future course of action is decided. Tabulation makes the data comprehensible and facilitate comparison and work for further statistics. So tabulation is again defined that it makes the data comprehensible. So if data is presented before us in very random way, so it is not comprehensible to us, and so it makes comprehension, understanding, better understanding of data by the analyst, and it facilitate comparison also in primary view and work for a statistical analysis. So it's table make more understandable of data, facilitate comparison. Comparison में help करता है, comparison को make easy. We can compare also, we can तुलना भी कर सकते हैं one row को दूसरे row से, one column को दूसरे column से, between rows and column, and work for a statistical analysis. And then this table can be used for the analysis of data using the statistical tools. Then parts of the table, क्या क्या parts होते हैं table के? Then पहला table number होता है for easy identification and future reference. में आज हमने काम कर लिया तो और बाद में फिर उस टेबल को without number we cannot recognize, we will forget. And even in present time we are given 10-20 tables, because all will be in numbers. It will be very hectic to identify. So table number make them just like our names, makes easy identification, and for future reference in future we can use also. Then title includes nature of data, उसमें वो data क्या है, किस चीज का है, that indicate nature of data, time span of the data and geographical location. So जो title बनाने वक्त table का इस ध्यान में होना चाहिए, वो data क्या है, किस nature का है, किस time से किस time का है, and कहाँ का है, किस location का है. Then head notes means besides these two things, table and title, if anything important is there, so we can put in head notes, also. Then caption that is the term referred to the headings of vertical columns or sub column. जो vertical column and sub columns के heading को caption बोलते हैं. Steps बोलते हैं headings of rows and sub rows, row and sub row. Then body of table contains data. जो main part of table है, that is body of data, contains data which are arranged as per caption and steps, means as per row and column headings. The body of table contains the data रखता है. Footnote, anything unexplained anywhere else in table. इन सभी के अलावा footnote में वो चीज आएगा जो that is not explained till now in any of above parts. Then we can give, we can mention it in footnote also. Source note, if means no, if data is secondary, if secondary data is there, then source note is also used. So this is the typical one table example. Here it is given how this table means look like. So these are the columns. We can make different sub column. So headings of column is called caption. These are the rows. Even rows के heading को हम लोग step बोलते हैं. So these are the steps total and this. So means this is the, then besides this is the body. Table number, इसके ऊपर table number लिखे होने चाहिए, टाइटल लिखे होने चाहिए, हेड नोट. अगर ये दोनों में जो चीज इंक्लूड नहीं हो रहा है तो हेड नोट में भी लिख सकते हैं. मीन्स that is in unit of measurement we can make in a steps and caption also. Caption. So these are the things. Then footnote, anything unexplained we can write in table in footnote. So these are the typical parts of a simple table. So means क्या है, means classification of data in form of table. Why it is important? Why, for what purpose? किस objective के कारण we classify the data? And so it is to simplify the complex data. Means after classification वो complex कोई data होता है वो simplified हो जाता है, and that make it more understandable, more comprehensible. It facilitates comparison. It वो तुलनात्मक in by eye view we can compare one data to another. Then it depicts trend and pattern of data also. So by this means economize a space first. To economize a space means raw data is very means haphazard. So when we make a systematic arrangement of data, then it requires less space in space of paper or in a hard disk or like a Excel spreadsheet or like that. it depicts trend and pattern of also. So trend and pattern means trend we can say कि 90 में क्या था, 2000 में क्या है, 2020 में क्या है. So this kind of बढ़ रहा है, घट रहा है, this is the trend. And pattern is also like that. किस पैटर्न का डाटा था 90 में, then 2000 में, and 2020. So it gives whether increasing or not. To help reference means reference के लिए in future study. We can keep the data, we can store the data in present, we can use in future. So table is essential that have proper heading, proper title, so that is identifiable. So in future we can use. And most important, that is last one, for a statistical analysis, table preparation is important and essential. And table gives and make easy and to decide and or to decide correct statistical tools to be used on data. So requisites of a good table. एक अच्छा टेबल होने के लिए क्या क्या जरूरत है? तो टेबल should be simple and compact and readily comprehensible. So एक टेबल जब बनाते हैं तो it should be simple, compact, means less space. क्लासिफिकेशन का पर्पस ही होता है कि less space लो, heavy means heavy body से less heavy body हो जाए, and easily comprehensible. And so a table should be like that. It should be easily comprehensible kind of things. And then it should be complete and self-explanatory. Means it should not lose the data, and it should be self-explanatory by reading and viewing. We should not to ask anyone what is this, what again should be there. So it should be self-explanatory in the form of typical parts even. It should have attractive get-up, means table should have attractive get-up, means eye-catching, means table should attract the eyes of the audience so that we can make easily understandable to them. Then classification of data should be in proper way. So classification of data should be in proper way होना चाहिए, because for a statistical analysis तभी कर सकते हैं जब तक कि ये प्रॉपर वे में इसका नहीं हो क्लासिफिकेशन. सो टाइप्स ऑफ टेबल क्या क्या है, किस ढंग का मींस प्राइमरी. तो प्राइमरी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओरिजिनलिटी ऑफ द डाटा, मींस सोर्स के आधार पर. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ टेबल, प्राइमरी टेबल एंड डेराइव्ड टेबल. Primary table is the data, the table prepared for the data which are raw data, means the data which have been obtained or noted from either experiment or survey or both. So there is no manipulation of that. That is if table is prepared of that one, तो उसे प्राइमरी टेबल बोलते हैं. प्राइमरी टेबल कहने का मतलब ये हुआ जो एक्सपेरिमेंट और सर्वे से जो हम लोग नोट किया. सपोज किसी का हाइट मीन्स 6 फीट है, किसी का 5 फीट है, हमने डायरेक्टली जो नोट कर लिया डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है, डेट ऑफ मैरिज क्या है. अगर इस ढंग से बनाते हैं तो दैट इज द प्राइमरी टेबल. एंड अगेन अगर इफ ड्राइव टेबल, अगर हम प्राइमरी डाटा को जो रॉ डाटा है उससे मैनिपुलेशन करके जो भी करके उससे जो हम टेबल बनाते हैं उसे डिराइव टेबल बनाते हैं. सपोज डेट ऑफ बर्थ, अगर एवरेज मैरिज एज ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन इज टू बी डिवाइड टू फॉर्म एंड टू प्रेजेंट इट, देन व्हाट वी विल डू, we do deduction between date of birth and to the date of the marriage. So for all the people, and we will make average of that, and that table will be prepared. That is called derived table on the basis of coverage. So simple data means table, and complex table or tabulation. So data is classified with respect to single characteristics. If any table that is prepared and if data is classified with respect to single characteristics or criteria, then it is simple table. It gives information about one or more groups of independent questions. So it gives one or more groups of independent questions. Complex tabulation. It shows the division of data in two or more categories and is meant to give information about one or more sets of interrelated questions. So it causes division of data in two or more categories. It means it causes division of data into two and more categories because we are classifying the data into uh, into two categories or more than two categories. So this is the case. This is the case. So it shows and means cross classification. इसमें cross then complex table if we are classifying the data on the basis of two features, two characteristics, then it gives the cross classification complex table. So it shows division of data in two or more categories and is meant to give information about one or more set of interrelated questions. So this is the table chapter, and this is now over. So in previous two class and anything to ask, you may ask. Time is here.